Hello everyone, today I am going to repair some badly peeling paint in our kids' bathroom. I decorated this room about 7 years ago, and over time the paint has started to bubble and peel off above the shower, so I thought I'd show you what I have done to repair it. The first thing was to scrape off all the loose paint. I continued scraping all over the area until I could feel that the paint would no longer scrape easily, so I could feel that the edges or the paint at the edges was stable. After I'd scraped it all back, I gave the whole area a good sanding with a sponge sander. Next I painted over the whole area with Zinsser Peel Stop, and I left it overnight to dry. This is brilliant binding primer which helps to stick down any old paint and seal cracking. I could see that the cracks and the areas I had scraped were a different level, so I covered the area with a light covering of Toupret fine surface filler. This is my most favourite filler as it's so easy to use. I then sanded again and painted the whole area with the Zinsser Gardz, which is a brilliant surface primer. Again, I left it overnight to dry. Next, I needed to repaint the whole area, and I used the same paint, which was Dulux Easycare bathroom paint in pure brilliant white. So this is how the ceiling looked after 3 coats, and this is the final result after 4 coats. It seemed to take quite a few coats to really get the white to cover really well. I am very happy with the final result, and you really cannot tell we ever had peeling paint on the ceiling. If this video has helped you, then leave me a thumbs up and a comment, consider subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!